Amazon Fire TV Cube in the best TV cube in 2023. Amazon Fire TV Cube, a game changer in home entertainment. In the rapidly evolving landscape of home entertainment, the Amazon Fire TV Cube has emerged as a true game changer. This innovative device seamlessly combines the power of a streaming media player with the convenience of a voice-activated smart assistant, ushering in a new era of entertainment at the command of your voice. At its core, the Amazon Fire TV Cube is a compact streaming device that delivers a vast array of content to your television. It supports 4K Ultra HD streaming, HDR, and Dolby Atmos audio, ensuring that your favorite movies and TV shows come to life with stunning clarity and immersive sound. With access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and more, the Fire TV Cube provides a one-stop shop for all your entertainment needs. In an era where streaming services dominate the entertainment landscape, having a powerful streaming device can make all the difference. The Amazon Fire TV Cube has emerged as a top contender in the world of streaming devices, combining the best of Amazon's technology with the convenience of voice control. In this article, we'll delve into the features and benefits that make the Amazon Fire TV Cube the best choice for your home entertainment needs. What sets the Fire TV Cube apart from the competition is its integration of Amazon's Alexa voice assistant. With just your voice, you can control your TV, search for content, adjust the volume, and even dim the lights. This hands-free experience makes it incredibly convenient to navigate through your entertainment options without fumbling for a remote control. Plus, since Alexa is constantly learning and improving, your Fire TV Cube becomes smarter over time, understanding your preferences and offering personalized recommendations. In conclusion, the Amazon Fire TV Cube is a versatile and powerful streaming device that stands out in the crowded market of entertainment options. With voice control, 4K Ultra HD streaming, Dolby Atmos audio, a vast content library, and smart home integration, it offers everything you need for a seamless and immersive entertainment experience. Whether you're a movie buff, a TV series enthusiast, or a gamer, the Fire TV Cube has you covered, and its affordable price point makes it an excellent choice for your home entertainment setup.